My mama texted me. I see my reflection. Fat guy, I wanna go court. Did you see that Hispanic man? He was like stalking us, our blue hair. It's like that Hispanic man. He kept looking at our blue hair. He's like
Blue. No, azul. Azul.
blue, rojo. No, that's red. Okay, I'm turning it off. Oh, your arm says hello. Birdie.